Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add GIF comments and threads. So yeah, this feature is available on threads. You can comment with a GIF. So I will show you how you can do that, and I will show you exactly how you can add the GIF comments and this app threads. So let's go right here. So right here, sorry, I was on the settings. Okay, so you will be, once you go through your app, you will be on this window. So right here where the feeds are, so on the home page. So for example, let's just go into any post like that one and tap on this icon of the comments, so you can comment right here. So as you can see, it says reply to the feed owner or the post owner. So right here, what I want to do is to go into the GIF right here, that sticker. By tapping on it, you will be able to choose any GIF that you want to react with or that you want to comment with. Yeah, so I don't know why it's lagging right here, or it's bugged. For example, even you can choose a GIF that, or the type of GIFs that you want to react with or comment with, like cats, for example. And yeah, you will be able to react or to comment with any GIF that you want to react or comment with. So just by tapping on that one GIF that you want to comment with, as I told you, it will be sent directly to the post, that one that you selected. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.